I have here in this box an acrylic side table. I am going to help you make a decision on whether or not it's something you want to purchase. I'm going to do an unboxing, an installation, demo, show you what it looks like in my house, test it out for you, and we can go from there. So I was gifted this side table, and I'm actually really drawn to acrylic furniture. They're just so unique, and that's something that I love. I love pattern, I love color. I love for my house to be different than what other people have. And not only that, but acrylic furniture is affordable. It's less bulky. It's not heavy. You can package it up into these tiny little boxes. I just think it's so cool. All right, so here's the pieces. It was packaged pretty well. It's got this thin foam on the outside, and then it's covered in saran wrap. It's like we do have some really simple instructions. Here's the hardware that it comes with, and it looks like it does come with Allen wrenches. So this is everything we're gonna need to set it up. Let's get this plastic wrap off of here. Check everything out, make sure there aren't any scratches, no damage. All right, so here's one piece. Looks great. The other one. This is actually the second piece of acrylic furniture that I've been gifted. This one is much larger than the other piece, but so cool that these pieces are so small and lightweight. It's just really easy and affordable to ship. All right. Let's get this thing assembled. So the instructions are pretty hilarious. It literally just says, do what this picture says, now you're done. So hopefully it's pretty straightforward. Here is what the screws look like. Just fit into here and screw in. This is what the ends look like. Both the same, so nothing decorative as far as the screws go. This piece that has the two holes is the bottom piece, because that is where the legs will get installed. All right, so I'm gonna do, not too bad. Got the first screw in. You do need 2 Allen wrenches so you can hold one side in place while you tighten the other side. Now that that piece is done, I'm going to show you up close what that looks like. All right, so I've got my holes lined up here. This hole down here is for the top piece. So the bottom 2 are for the legs. So you're gonna take your 1 bolt, make sure the holes are lined up, and poke it through. Then you are going to take the threaded end and screw that in. Now you're going to take 1 Allen wrench to hold the screw tight on one side and the other Allen wrench to tighten. First side is done. Let's do the second. I really do love acrylic furniture, and this one also comes in a bunch of different colors. It can be so fun. There's so many acrylic options out there. You could do shelves, furniture, picture frames. Just always been a huge fan. One thing you want to be careful about if you have pets, their hair tends to stick to acrylic really well, and I've actually got it stuck. Be careful when you're putting it together. You make sure the pieces are clean before you get it all screwed in. The bottom is done. This piece just sort of sits on top here, so this is going to be really easy to put on. Another thing I love about acrylic is that it's just really, really easy to clean. It's heat resistant. The only thing you have to be careful with is scratching. You don't have to use any furniture polish or wood varnish, try to keep up with the sheen or anything like that. It's just always gonna look the same. Here's the table. To give you an idea of size, here is a record. It almost fits perfectly on the top. Show you the angle from the top here. It's a little bit smaller than a record. That's how big it is next to it. But honestly, having the record here on the shelf, it fits pretty perfectly. Can't really tell that it's a little bit smaller. All right, if it were me, I would probably keep smaller things on here. Maybe do a book or two down on the shelf at the bottom. Here's what we have in here currently. Let's get this swapped out. There we go. Here is the finished look. You can see next to the bed, it's a few inches taller than the table, but it lines up perfectly with the bed. I love that it has this shelf here. That is something that we were missing in our other nightstand. It has a shelf, but it's just really small. But I feel like this looks so good with the style of our bedroom. I love that this also comes in sets of 2, and like I said, it comes in a ton of different colors. I just think acrylic furniture is beautiful. Super easy to put together, super lightweight, good quality, came packaged really well. It didn't have any scratches or anything like that. It was really, really easy to put together. Overall, it's affordable. I love the look of it. It's a really good piece of furniture.